How to create a HackerRank account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can sign up on HackerRank. For this, you want to open up any web browser and head over to hackerrank.com. Once you get here, if you want to create a new account, simply tap on the sign up option. Now, you have two options here. The first one is a free trial version where you get 14 days free trial, but after 14 days, you will have to pay certain amount. The second one is a free account. So go ahead and select according to your preference. Once you select it, click on the create account option. Now, you will have to enter some details here. Start by entering your full name. Then you want to enter your email address. Now create a password. Make sure you create a strong one. After that, check the box that says I agree to terms of service and privacy policy. Then tap on the sign up option. Or you can also sign up using your Google account, your LinkedIn account, your GitHub account, or your Facebook account. After tapping on the sign up option, here it's going to ask you some questions, so go ahead and answer them. You can also choose to skip this process. And as you can see, you have successfully created your new HackerRank account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.